Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for clicking to watch my video once again. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you once more how I moisturize my hair. I'm going to be using, instead of water, I'll be using my normal onion peels, as you all know. So in this spray bottle, what I have in there is my onion peel tea. If you don't know how I made this tea, I'm going to be leaving the link to my video in the description box so you check it out. Thank you all so much once again, and I'll also try to tell you the tips in which I use to grow my hair. Ever since I started using these tips, my hair has grown very well. So I decided today to share some of my tips with you guys. Stay tuned.